Welcome to the Destin Business Forum, brought to you by the Destin Chamber. My guest is Dr. Kyle Chavers with Foundations Medical Center, and you are a repeat guest. You were here 2 years ago.
That's right, yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about Foundations Medical Center and what's happened in the last 2 years?
Sure, yeah. So we're a medical office here in Destin. We're family medicine doctors by trade, but we do more functional medicine now. Functional medicine is more of a holistic approach to healthcare. We really look at a lot of lifestyle factors, so a heavy emphasis on sleep, exercise, diet, nutrition, and really look for excesses and deficiencies and try to correct those. You know, about 80% of diseases in our country are lifestyle driven, and so we use a functional medicine model to really try to maximize and leverage as many lifestyle factors as possible to not only prevent disease but also treat and reverse disease.
So your hope is that patients will come to you and correct whatever could be a major problem down the road.
Exactly,
High
yeah.
blood
We help them figure out, you know, either how to prevent things like high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes, or, you know, we certainly have patients who are already kind of down that path. And we use as many, certainly prescription medications as well, but as many lifestyle factors as possible to help undo those problems and correct them as much as possible.
So who would you recommend to come to you? An older patient, someone that's already started to experience some sort of problem? Or?
We have a huge spectrum of patients. So I have patients all the way from, you know, ultra elite athletes in their 20s who are trying to, you know, stay at the top of their game and prevent any problems in the future, to you know, people in their 80s with, you know, some early onset dementia, history of heart disease, history of diabetes, and really just want to try to maximize their time, you know, that they have left and feel as good as possible, you know, along the way, and everybody in between. So we're capable of treating anyone and everyone.
And your office isn't typical in that you have a membership program versus paying for each visit. Is that correct?
We do. We have two different models. You certainly can pay for visits as you go, but something that we've implemented since the last time I was here that we're really proud of is our membership model. So it works like really any other membership. You pay you know, a monthly membership fee, and there's 3 different tiers. And it basically includes all of your services for the year. So, you know, you can look at which one fits your needs the best, and you know ahead of time, you know, what it's going to cost. You pay each month, and everything is included. And our members also get some additional perks depending on which one they sign up for. So the memberships are a great option. They also allow us to, if somebody is looking for a primary care physician or they have some problems that they you know, need just a family doc for, all of our memberships include family medicine services. So we serve as their primary care physician as well.
And you don't accept insurance, correct?
We don't accept insurance. You know, our model is a little bit different, or a lot different, and it's not really designed for an insurance-based model. So we really chose that route because insurance companies in modern medicine really direct what kind of medicine you can practice. You know, they dictate what you can order, what you can prescribe, you know, how many patients you can see, and really sort of tell you what to do. And we really don't like that model. We really want to be able to do what we want to do and do what we think is best for the patient, not what's best for the insurance company.
Can you go into detail about some of the services your office offers? So you can be my primary doctor, but what else can I
Absolutely. So we do primary care, which also includes women's health. So our PA, Amy Drab, does pap smears and annual women's exams. We have a registered dietitian in our office, so we offer dietitian consults for people who really are trying to get their diet in check. We have an IV spa, so we offer IV vitamin drips, which can be a great way to get nutrition straight to the tissue. If your diet's not so great, or you've got some absorption issues, we can put some vitamins straight in the IV and get those straight to the tissue. We have an infrared sauna, which is great for multiple medical problems, including stress, chronic pain, detoxification issues, high blood pressure. And then just functional medicine consults. You know, we see people just on a consultation basis where we do functional medicine. We also prescribe a lot of bioidentical hormone therapy in our office for people who are getting a little older and kind of transitioning, you know, into that andropause or menopause stage.
So say I want to become a patient of yours. I don't have any major issues right now. I want the highest tier of membership. How does that work? I come in and you do testing on me and make recommendations?
Yeah, so our first office visit would be with me or with Amy. It lasts about an hour and a half, so it's a comprehensive visit.
I don't think I've ever spent an hour and a half with a doctor.
Yeah, most people haven't, so it catches some people off guard, but we spend a lot of time, getting to know you, finding out all your history, all the way back from your childhood, so things that have affected your health and kind of gotten you to where you are now. That initial visit also includes a visit with our dietitian to really help figure out leverage points and different things we can do to correct your diet to get you eating as clean as possible to maximize your health. And then beyond that, depending on which tier you choose, it will include several follow-ups throughout the year. Several of them include vitamin injections like B12 shots, vitamin D shots, biotin shots, and then you mentioned the top tier, it includes IV therapy and unlimited sauna visits. So it's really a pretty comprehensive plan, and we feel like it's a really good bargain for what you get, and we have a lot to offer at our practice.
If people want to get in touch with you, where would they find your office?
We are located in Plantation Commons, so over by Tuesday Morning, Fresh Market, that area there, and our office is located directly across from Jasmine Thai, if you know where that restaurant is.
Definitely know where that is.
Most people do.
Right. And what's your phone number and email address? Website.
Our website is foundationsmedicalcenter.com. So you can look us up, you can check out all of our services there. Everything's spelled out as to what we offer, and all the prices are there. And then our phone number is 850-269-9000.
Thank you for coming back. We hope that you will come back in 2 more years and give us another update.
Absolutely, yeah. It's great to be here. Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Thank you for watching.